I'm not quite as a mouse either. I mean, I think there's a balance, and I'm somewhere in between.
Jason Statham is 56 years old and still looks as tough and cool as ever. It's pretty amazing, right? He seems to have found the secret to staying young. But how does he do it? How does Jason Statham stay so strong and fit as he gets older? It's a question lots of people wonder about. From his tough guy roles in movies like The Transporter to his latest action-packed films, Statham has always been a force to be reckoned with on screen. But how does he keep it up? In this video, we'll talk about Jason Statham's exercise routine that keeps him feeling great and his diet for a healthy lifestyle. Plus, we'll share Jason Statham's 4 fitness rules. So, get ready for some easy tips you can use to feel your best every day. Jason Statham was born in England on July 26, 1967 and has since established himself as an entertainment icon. At the age of 56, he continues to captivate audiences all over the world with his incredible talent and age-defying looks. Statham first became known for his martial arts abilities, which helped pave the way for his successful acting career. Statham has captivated audiences for over 3 decades with thrilling performances in blockbusters like The Transporter series, The Expendables, and Snatch. His signature tough guy roles and unparalleled stunt work established his reputation as one of Hollywood's most popular action stars. Despite his demanding profession, Statham remains in excellent health and vitality for his age. So, what is Jason Statham's secret to looking ageless? First, his exercise routine. He says, "My workout is constantly changing, which for me is the best thing in the world because variety is what keeps me interested." Since Jason Statham's exercise routine is known to be dynamic and tailored to his roles and goals, here's a sample 7-day exercise plan inspired by his approach. Day 1. Progressive overload or deadlifts. Jason Statham begins with a light weight and progressively increases the load as he reduces repetitions, ensuring that his muscles are continually challenged and stimulated for growth and strength development. Day 2. Big 5-55 workout circuit. Statham maintains a fast pace throughout the circuit, ensuring that his heart rate remains elevated, which improves cardiovascular endurance and strengthens his heart. By moving continuously from one exercise to the next without rest, Statham builds muscular endurance, enabling him to perform high-intensity activities for extended periods. Day 3. Interval rowing. Statham performs rowing intervals with maximum effort, pushing himself to complete each 500-meter sprint within the allotted time, which improves both his aerobic and anaerobic capacity. Intense rowing intervals help Statham burn a significant number of calories during the workout and continue to burn calories even after the session ends due to the high metabolic demand of the exercise. Day 4. Front squats. Statham executes front squats with a load that is 105% of his body weight, ensuring that his leg muscles are sufficiently challenged to promote strength and hypertrophy. Maintaining proper form during front squats engages Statham's core muscles, enhancing his stability and balance while protecting his spine from injury. Day 5. Low-intensity rowing and warm-up. Bear crawl and crab walk. Statham performs low-intensity rowing to facilitate active recovery, promoting blood flow to his muscles, and aiding in the removal of metabolic waste products accumulated during previous workouts. Statham completes the bear crawl and crab walk warm-up exercises to improve joint mobility and flexibility, ensuring that his body is adequately prepared for the upcoming training session. Day 6. Trail run. Statham embarks on a trail run in mountainous terrain, challenging his cardiovascular system and enhancing his endurance as he navigates varied elevations and surfaces. Running in natural surroundings helps Statham reduce stress and clear his mind, contributing to his overall mental well-being and resilience. Day 7. Rest. Statham prioritizes rest on this day, allowing his muscles to recover and build stronger, which is essential for muscle growth and optimal performance in future workouts. By taking a rest day, Statham reduces the risk of overuse injuries and allows his body to recover from accumulated fatigue, minimizing the likelihood of injury during subsequent training sessions. Number 2. His diet for healthy lifestyle. Jason Statham follows a meal schedule for 4 small meals per day, spaced out every 2 to 3 hours. This consistent eating pattern helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps his metabolism revved up, particularly beneficial when preparing for physically demanding roles like in Transporter. Jason says, keeping my body fueled and ready is all about smart, timed nutrition. It's not just about what you eat, but when you eat it. Here's a breakdown of his typical meal plan. Breakfast. Statham starts his day with fruits like pineapples and strawberries, which are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing a healthy boost of energy and supporting overall health. He incorporates oats into his breakfast for their soluble fiber and antioxidant content, aiding in digestion, lowering cholesterol levels, and promoting heart health. Statham includes poached eggs for an early protein source, balancing the cholesterol content with the fiber from oat. Lunch. Statham occasionally opts for a vegan lunch with brown rice, a nutritious whole grain that provides sustained energy and essential nutrients like fiber and B vitamins. He pairs the brown rice with a generous serving of steamed vegetables, which are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting overall health and digestion. Statham enjoys a hot bowl of miso soup, a traditional Japanese dish rich in probiotics, antioxidants, and amino acids, promoting gut health and immunity. Snacks. Statham snacks an all-natural peanut butter, which is low in sugar and rich in healthy fats and protein, providing sustained energy and satisfying hunger. He also includes nuts like almonds, cashews, and walnuts, which are nutrient-dense and provide a mix of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, supporting satiety and overall health. Dinner. Statham includes a lean protein source like beef, chicken, or fish in his evening meal, providing essential amino acids for muscle repair and growth, supporting satiety and stabilizing blood sugar levels. He complements his protein with a salad consisting of leafy greens and veggies, providing vitamins, minerals, and fiber, supporting digestion and overall health. Additional dietary practices. Statham consumes sugary or starchy foods during the daytime to allow for calorie burn before bedtime. He avoids eating anything after 7 p.m. Statham drinks at least 3 liters of water per day, staying hydrated to support overall health, digestion, and performance. Number 3. Jason Statham's 4 fitness rule. Jason Statham's approach to fitness is guided by 4 key principles, each designed to maximize effectiveness and maintain motivation. First, never repeat a workout. Statham avoids monotony by never doing the same workout twice. He believes that incorporating variety into his routines keeps them exciting and prevents boredom, ultimately helping to sustain motivation and engagement over the long term. Incorporating variety into workouts prevents adaptation and limitations, ensuring continuous progression and adaptation. It also keeps workouts interesting and mentally stimulating, boosting motivation and adherence to the fitness plan. Second, focus on mobility. Given his active roles and penchant for performing stunts, Statham prioritizes exercises that enhance mobility, agility, and range of motion. By improving these physical attributes, he's better equipped to execute demanding movements and reduce the risk of injury during action sequences. Third, set specific goals. Statham advocates for setting clear and measurable fitness goals rather than simply following a routine. Whether it's aiming to lose a certain amount of weight within a specified time frame or increasing lifting capacity, having concrete objectives helps maintain focus and drive progress. Fourth, embrace short, intense workouts. Statham adopts a time-efficient approach to training, preferring short shorter, more intense workouts. He keeps restorations between sets brief and limits his time in the weight room to 30 to 40 minutes. This approach maximizes efficiency and intensity, allowing him to achieve effective results within a condensed time. By adhering to these fitness rules, Jason Statham not only maintains his impressive physique but also optimizes his performance for the demanding roles he undertakes. His commitment to variety, mobility, goal setting, and intensity serves as a blueprint for anyone looking to elevate their fitness regimen and achieve peak physical condition. Jason Statham's fitness routine is all about mixing things up, staying flexible, setting goals, and going hard and fast. By keeping things fresh, focusing on staying flexible, setting clear goals, and keeping workouts short, he's not just looking good, but also being prepared for whatever life throws at him.